Say hello to Stonefire Berkeley in Berkeley, where simplicity meets quality living for the perfect student accommodation and college experience. Choose from cozy 1 or 2 bedroom apartments or opulent studios and get stainless steel appliances, in-unit laundry facilities for convenience, and ample closet space for storage. Stay on top of your fitness goals in the power-packed gym, then unwind after study sessions with ping pong or spin some foosball. Come the weekend, fire up the grill to enjoy sizzling barbecue on the outdoor terrace, and wind down by the fire pit with a warm cup from the coffee bar. There's also secure parking for your wheels, monthly resident events, and on-site support that makes life a breeze. As for campus proximity, Berkeley City College and University of California are just a short walk away. Plus, with buses from University Avenue at Martin Luther King Jr. Way and the downtown Berkeley BART station nearby, city access and travel will be seamless as ever. So, lock in your spot at Stonefire Berkeley in Berkeley via amberstudent.com now.